Okay guys, this is an explanation of this blend ladder worksheet for day 4. One thing that I tend to like to do is we do this together as a group and we try to write the words out over here. If you want to, you can write the words at the side, or if you don't want to bother with this part of the worksheet, just using the squares would be great in having the kids write the letters that they hear. What I tend to do is, like, we'll start with this. This is F week, and this should be a pretty easy week for us to be able to find what we like to call CVC words. CVC words are consonant, vowel, consonant words. And we know with all of our work this year and going through our foundations note cards that A, E, I, O, and U are our vowels. Those are the pink cards in our foundations flashcards. And whenever the kids see the pink card, they identify it as a vowel. Now we're still working on trying to remember what those vowels are, but we do know that these are kind of our pieces of bread in a sandwich, and the vowels are the yummy middle. So maybe if we don't like peanut butter and jelly, we might like a turkey or grilled cheese sandwich. So the vowel is the stuff in the middle that holds it together, that makes it a word. So if I started an example for maybe a word with the letter A, the vowel A would be starting with the letter F, and I'll ask them, what letter makes the F sound? And if they struggle with that, you can go through kind of the steps, working backwards on the foundations card, going with the sound, then the picture, and maybe they'll remember the F. So you could say F, fun, or F, frog, and maybe they could tell you. Now, they are more than welcome in this first box to either write their capital F, which is again the big line down, and my chalkboard is different here. It's a big line down, sorry it's so sloppy, and the two little lines, or again, it's the curve around and the little line across. And this isn't pretty because I don't have my hand to support it. But the biggest thing to remember is we don't go below the lines. We use the middle line to make our middle little line, and we always start our letters at the top. Now in preschool, forming letters is really important, so learning how to form the letters is very important. I've noticed when doing all this homeschool work with my other kiddos that their handwriting is different and they have fallen into quote unquote bad habits. But if we can, we're going to start them out using a specific structure, and if we can just encourage that starting at the top, that's one of the most important pieces. So we'll put F's. What we can do is we can put F's in all of our boxes. And then what I'm going to do is, along with this assignment, I'll email you some recommended CVC words that you can try and have them guess. So I will give them the sound of the letter I'm looking for, and then I will have them write it in the boxes. If they would like to transfer that onto these lines, they can, or they don't have to. Another useful tool is on the back of this sheet. They have some suggestions and ideas for all of the vowels and words that can go with those vowels using our letter F, and also some letters and sounds that we've used in the past. So kind of jogging their memory and kind of challenging them and keeping them using all those sounds that we have been working through for the year. Have fun.